Failure never crossed his mind. That's why in every endeavor he undertakes, he always makes it sure that excellent and quality output will always be the end result. This guiding principle of this year's nominee for most outstanding agricultural scientist, Dr. Jonar Yago of Nueva Vizcaya State University, led him to a pedestal where he is now.
I am Dr. Jonar Yago. My present position is Professor 4 and the latest evaluation is Professor 6. So I have reached already the highest rank in the academy, which is Professor 6.
The humble beginning of Dr. Yago's research life kicked off after graduation when he was immediately employed at the International Rice Research Institute and the Philippine Rice Research Institute. His stint, however, in these institutions was cut short when he decided to transfer to the academe to further share his expertise. Armed with good record, he was easily accepted at Nueva Vizcaya State University sometime in 1995. Dr. Yago finished his doctoral degree in plant pathology at the University of the Philippines at Los Baños, Laguna in 2004. A year after, he was a junior visiting research fellow grantee by the Commission on Higher Education at National Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology of UPLB. Because of his quality researches, he was a recipient of various prestigious awards sponsored by institutions such as the Cagayan Valley Agricultural Resources and Research Development Consortium or CIVARD, Mycological Society of the Philippines, Philippine Fruit Association, and the Nueva Vizcaya State University. In 2010, Dr. Yago was chosen as visiting research fellow at Biotechnology and Institute of Quality and Standard, Meiji University of Sansai, Chiang Mai, Thailand, wherein he worked on ultra-structural pathogenesis of twig blight diseases or TBD of citrus in the Philippines. And after that, he was also selected as a recipient of a Fulbright Advanced Research by the Philippine American Education Foundation. He then conducted high-end research on gene cloning and sequencing of citrus diseases such as the twig blight disease at Citrus Research and Education Center, University of Florida. Dr. Yago was the first Fulbright scholar in the entire Cagayan Valley region.
My Fulbright research is all about the twig blight disease of citrus in the Philippines. So I choose this research in the sense that this is the major diseases in citrus and this is the major problem of citrus grower in the province. So I tried to investigate this kind of diseases because in the past this disease has not been researched or there is no identity regarding the microorganism.
Dr. Yago's research won third places in 2010 and in 2013 in the research category during the National Symposium on Agriculture and Aquatic Resources Research and Development, a PICARD initiative that showcases the most outstanding contributions of individuals and institutions in the improvement of the agriculture, aquatic, and natural resources sectors through research and development. His efforts paid off when he was able to clone and submit the sequence of the causal organism that made him as the first scientist ever to study such. More importantly, his study was published at the National Center for Biotechnology Information at Maryland, United States of America. Dr. Yago had also worked and published various significant studies on crops that were published locally and internationally. The latest is the paper entitled First Report of Rice Stripe Virus at Proso Millet in Korea in 2012. The research focused on several serious outbreaks of rice stripe virus in rice fields. Dr. Yago believes that technology generation and verification is useless without dissemination and commercialization. That's why he is continuously doing researches and producing patented biopesticides to help improve farmers' productivity not only in his region but the whole country as well.